Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make only taskbar and start menu of Windows 11 appear black without using dark mode or dark theme. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have a light theme which is a default Windows 11 theme, right? You can see it's a grayish or whitish in color. So how you can change this Windows taskbar as well as the Windows 11 start menu appear black. So for this, what you need to do, you can just right click on any desktop blank screen, and now you can see here personalize. Just click on it. Now you can see our personalized window. So just scroll down on the right side. You can see your colors, right? Just click on it. Now under the colors, on the first option you will see here light, right, which is the default one. So just click on it. Now here you can see one option written as custom. Just click on it. Now under the custom, you can see here choose your default Windows mode. So just click on here and select the dark. Wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the dark theme has been applied, but you can see a transparency or a blur effect, right? So if you don't want this blur effect, then you can just turn this off. You can see here transparency effect, just turn it off. So you can see a more accurate and simple looking black in color. So if you click on the other settings also, it will all turn into a black, and you can see the start menu also has turned into black. But don't worry, it will not turn into black all the applications of the program. As you can see, this PC, that is the file explorer, has not turned into black, or any application like Recycle Beam or any program if you open, then it will stay in the default white theme or the white in color. So if you just want to make your taskbar as well as only the Windows 11 start menu to be appear black in color, then you can just select this option that is being shown in this video tutorial, and you can get the black appearance for your Windows 11 taskbar as well as the start menu layout. So this is how you can make only taskbar and start menu of Windows 11 appear black without using dark mode or dark theme. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.